Paranormal Endeavors was just an idea in February 2010.
The guy, when he killed himself, put the gun to his mouth.
Oh.
And I'd never seen anything like that here before, like the weird writing, and it was insane.
I thought Sarah was coming back in, but it was not her.
I heard that too.
If it's something that is overwhelming, then yes, by all means, take a calm walk out,
Yeah.
Breathe in and out again. He cannot rest or completely cross over until something is done with that situation. It needs to be changed.
I don't have the money to do it.
The woman who's wanting to cross over needs help. Step forward, please.
That shit freaked me out.
Every time you connected with me, your aura is white, and it spiked all the way to the ceiling.
It's my left hand.
At one point, my left foot and his left hand were both numb and tingling. I'd never actually seen that happen before with the human dowsing rod.
And instantly, I started doing the human dowsing rod, started hearing noises. Spiritual influence, you need to leave her alone.
Come on,
Leave
Lola.
her alone now.
When we got there and actually got into some of the investigating, it was pretty cool.
You okay?
There
Oh,
it is.
there it is.
That little thing running.
Yeah, when I heard the sound like footsteps, are they malicious? Are they ominous?
Well, you can definitely tell it's the outline of something.
You don't need to be ashamed. You don't need to be afraid.
Spirits here.
I haven't seen an orb like that ever before though.
I was not expecting that. Me neither. But you guys are welcome to come back at any time.
I'm very glad that you guys came to investigate and find out what was going on in my house.